Hi there guys, this is one fine morning here in Goa and boy look at the location where we are at and we have a groundbreaking path defining scooter. This is the Destiny 125 which Hero hopes and everyone hopes that will change the destiny of their positioning in the 125cc segment because they've given it all. So when one look at the scooter and you know all the blood and sweat that has gone into the R&D in making the scooter is very much apparent. So they have tried their best to give something out of the box and something different in the segment. So we're going to find out. And also joining me here are two experts. One is an actual performance bike expert and a bodybuilder, and of course दूसरे हमारे नटवरलाल बच्चन साहब हैदराबाद के बच्चन साहब. But anyway, we're going to take their opinion as well as to what is the practical take, क्योंकि of course they do a lot of mileage testing and daily usability, and of course उनका content very relatable रहता है on a day-to-day usage basis. तो वेलकम प्रकाश, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. ये तो ऑफिशियल हो गया आपको वेलकम करते करते. हम लोग तो चाय बड्डीज है. और KSC ही इज आई मीन फिनोमिनल स्किल एंड मैं तो बोलता हूँ डोंट ट्राई व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग, डोंट ट्राई दैट बैक होम. ही इज अ स्टंट राइडर एज वेल. तो KSC व्हाट इज योर इनिशियल ओपिनियन?
बढ़िया है, फैमिली के लिए सबसे बेस्ट है क्योंकि ये कोई परफॉर्मेंस वाली गाड़ी नहीं है. आप डे टू डे रनिंग के लिए ये गाड़ी बनाई गई है एंड इवन इस गाड़ी को किसी और से कंपेयर करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है क्योंकि ये एक स्कूटर है. ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो ज़िंदगी मतलब किसी की भी लाइफ में चाहिए होता है. डे टू डे मॉर्निंग में जाना है, सब्जी लेने जाना है, बच्चे को छोड़ने जाना है, उस हिसाब से
हर घर में एक स्कूटर तो ज़रूरी है.
तो उसके लिए ये बेस्ट है.
प्रकाश, योर टेक.
भाई स्कूटर अच्छा है और मोस्टली क्या होता है जब हम
डे टू डे लाइफ का मजा लेंगे,
डे टू डे लाइफ में जब स्कूटर चलाते हैं ना, तो व्हाट वी नीड इज़ गुड माइलेज, गुड सीट एंड सेफ्टी. ब्रेकिंग अच्छी है और डिस्क ब्रेक दिया गया है. पीछे का टायर जो मेरे हिसाब से सेगमेंट में फर्स्ट हो सकता है मेरे हिसाब से, बिकॉज पीछे का टायर है ना, इट्स नॉट 90/90 जैसा मोस्टली मैन्युफैक्चरर्स करते हैं ना, सेम टायर देते हैं, बट यहाँ पे 100/80 12 इंच का टायर है. सामने 90/90 का मिलता है, तो उससे क्या है ज़्यादा ग्रिप मिलेगा. ब्रेक वगैरह मारते हो वो टाइम पे आपको अच्छा लगेगा. एंड स्कूटर सभी बनाते हैं बट विथ फीचर्स बहुत कम कंपनियां बनाती है और इसमें किक भी दिया गया है.
अरे वाह, किक स्टार्ट को किक मारो, यही तो था पहले. बट एनीवे इट्स अ प्रैक्टिकल इंक्लूजन.
इट इज प्रैक्टिकल स्कूटर एंड इट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड दे हैव गिवन ऑलमोस्ट 7 कलर्स. अच्छे कलर्स है सबके सब. स्पेशली आई लाइक द वाइट वन, हालांकि मेरे को शूट के लिए वाइट वन नहीं मिला है.
अरे यही तो खड़ा है तेरे बाजू में. अच्छा ठीक है, अभी दोनों एक साथ बैठ जाओ कि इसका स्पेस कितना ऑप्टिमाइज्ड है, क्योंकि वो लोग बोल रहे थे सीट लॉन्गर सीट ऑफर कर रहे हैं. तो अगर दो कॉलेज के बंदे शिकार पे निकले, दो बैचलर बॉयज अगर शिकार पे निकले तो कैसे लगेंगे? दो शेर
भी आ जाएगा.
अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग. हाँ, नाउ नॉर्मली क्या होता है, सीट एडिक्वेट होता है, 2 लोग आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. बट यहाँ पे 2 लोग बैठने के बाद में बीच में, जैसे अगर लेडीज के साथ जा रहे हो, कुछ पर्स वगैरह है वो भी आप बीच में रख सकते हो. यू सी द स्पेस. दिस इज हाउ ए राइडर सिट्स ऑन द स्कूटर. आप देखो कितना स्पेस है बीच में,
बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस.
हाँ,
एंड सबसे बेस्ट, मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे, मुझे बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट मिला.
हाँ, बैक रेस्ट जो दिया गया है,
बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट दे रहा है.
और लेग रूम भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. एंड प्रकाश इज क्वाइट रीजनेबली टॉल, सो फॉर हिम आई थिंक दिस सफिशिएंट. अब 6 फुट वाला आदमी भी बराबर सेट हो जाएगा यहाँ पे.
दिस वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू ऐड हियर इज, इसका जो ये है ना हैंडल बार, वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ है. सो आपको थोड़ा ऐसा मतलब सामने झुक के बैठने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यू विल बी सिटिंग अपराइट. ये
तो लो बैक या बैक इश्यूज आने की जरूरत है. राइडर ट्रायंगल इज परफेक्टली एस्टैब्लिश्ड. अच्छा चलो, ये हो गया इनका वर्डिक्ट. अभी हम लोग कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं गाड़ी के फीचर्स और जो स्पेक्स है उसके बारे में. फटाफट आई विल गिव यू अ क्विक ओवरव्यू. And you can see the LED headlamp right up here, and it has the LED DRL and a first in segment LED projector lamp, which is really talks about Hero going overboard and trying to offer something extraordinary. Also the fit and finish and the road presence of the scooter is phenomenal. I mean, when you look at the scooter, it feels robust, and it is robust because you get a front fender is all metal, and the impact absorbing structures, the side panels are also metal. So this is a Metal Max. I can't call it Metal Max because that belongs to a different brand, but it's a metal body structure which makes it really sturdy and robust. And also the overall body panels, the fitment, the fit and finish, the attention to detail. Like, have a look at this part right here. You have a lot of copper chrome accents, and also you have Destiny being imbibed here. So that talks about the attention to detail that has gone into making this scooter, and that's what makes it stand out. You also have a disc brake, 190mm disc brake, and first time, not many brands offer 12-inch front wheel as well as 12-inch rear wheel. Many of them offer 12-inch front wheel, but they offer a 10-inch rear wheel. but here it is 12 platform is what they call it. So 12-inch front, 12-inch rear, diamond cut alloy wheels, and as Prakash pointed out, it is widest in segment, 100 section rear tire to offer better road grip and better planted feel. Also, wheelbase has been extended to offer better high speed stability, and here you can see the exhaust muffler and the heat shield is all chrome. So the heat shield is all chrome, so that gives a premium feel. And also Destiny branding is done in 3D print, so that is another thing that stands out and gives it an upmarket feel. And tail lamp has a head-shaped tail lamp layout. Again, that's LED tail lamp, looks very, very premium. The turn blinkers are not LED, so I really wish that at one point in time we get all LED lighting on scooters, Indian scooters, because it's 2024 year. Like, it's about time the entire setup is LED, because that saves a lot of battery. Battery efficiency is better, and also light throw is better, visibility is better. You have an external fuel lid as well, and also sufficient amount of space underneath the seat. You have around 18.7 liters is what they were claiming, to be precise. You do have a boot lamp right here, little bit of slots here to slot some stuff on the go. Also, you can fit in an open face helmet much more easily here. You have a dedicated switch to turn on and turn off the light. Also, you have the OBD phase 2 coupler right underneath this for easy access. And also, the engine compartment is laid out in such a way that you don't have to remove any panels to service this. So that makes, you know, servicing far more easier, and everything is easily accessible, and your service will be done in no time because everything has been designed in such a way. So that talks about the engineering prowess of Hero MotoCorp, India's leading two-wheeler manufacturer. And also the foot pegs are neatly designed. Unlike some of the other foot pegs that we see look a little flimsy, you also have practically laid out USB charging socket. I would have preferred a Type-C charging socket, but anyway, Type A is something that goes universal. Not everyone has a Type-C charging cable. And you have a slot, glove box kind of a thing to slot your phone while charging it. You have a front hook to hook on your bags and baggages. The switch gear is a high beam flasher, and the pass switch has been offered here. Indicator switches I3S has been offered, intelligent start-stop system. So when you stop at a stop signal, within few seconds of idling, the engine gets cut off to save fuel, to contribute to greener, cleaner environment. You do get chrome bar and weights as well to cancel any vibrations, and it's very refined. You have an ignition switch right over here, and also dedicated button for turning on and turning off the DRLs. And also, the one drawback that I could find out in this is there is no parking brake. Now, why did they miss that? That's crucial, because now when you're parking on inclines or slopes, you don't know what's going to happen. Especially elderly people, they have a tough time controlling a bulky scooter. So they should have offered a parking brake is what I feel. And Prakash is already doing some adventure and off-roading. Hope he's safe, because it's very slippery, and it's been raining crazy since morning. So he's trying his best not to drift away, otherwise it will become another हादसा. कुछ वायरल फुटेज मिल जाएगा हमको, राइडर क्रैश हो गए यहाँ से सीधा सी के अंदर, समंदर के अंदर. सबमरीन टेस्टिंग तो नहीं करेगा, तो वाटरप्रूफ टेस्टिंग करेगा क्या? इसका IP67 नहीं है रे, दिस इज़ नॉट IP67 रेटेड, ठीक है. तो बंदा एकदम, he is trying to get the right backdrop such that he can shoot. And yeah, that's the friendship, that's the brotherhood. You can see both of them contributing to the review part, and very practical points highlighted by both of them. And thanks to both of them, they are good old friends, and Prakash is almost like a brother. But anyway, now the seat looks good. It has a dual tone, and these are the other variants. Now this is a ZX Plus top spec variant. You also have a plain Jane drum variant, and without Bluetooth connectivity and all. And this one is almost has all the bells and whistles, minus the copper chrome kind of visual appeal that the top spec variant gets. That looks very, very premium. Honestly, this one and the black color look the best. This is the magenta color, not a fan. Doesn't look all that great, but maybe might go well with the women folks out there. And that is the blue color. So I just hope I don't slip and make a fool of myself. It's very, very slippery down here. This is the navy blue color, also looks really, really good. And this is the Hyderabadi Stig of our Mr. Stig. कैसे लग रहा आपको? अच्छा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सुहाना मौसम है पीछे।
अरे वाह, चाय पिए नहीं पिए तुम लोग?
भाई चाय के बगैर काम नहीं था। पानी
अरे ये मौसम तो अपने को बैंगन में मिलाए जैसा है जी, ये क्या है जी ये मौसम? अरे इतना अच्छा सीनरी रख के अपन ऊपर वाले से अभी प्रेयर करें तो थोड़ा बहुत तरस खा के हम लोग को बारिश रोके सो है शूट करने के लिए। एंड सब्र का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है। बट ओके okay, so KS is pointing me, my lace is off, so that means I can stumble and fall. But anyway, before that I'll conclude, and this is the blue color, looks pretty decent, but the best of it all has to be the black color. So you can just hold this and just conclude take the concluding part. I just hope I don't walk back and just fall and make a fool of myself, but I'll try to pose as I fall as well. But this is Dino saying ciao for now, and a beautiful view. Can't thank Hero more than enough for a wonderful organization, wonderful accommodation, and a beautiful product that they've launched. This is something you have to see in the flesh to believe. The kind of robust build quality, the kind of features they've packed into it, the kind of technology. Yeah, it gets a full digital cluster with Bluetooth connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation. I think I haven't shown that, so let me just quickly show that and conclude the video for you guys. Yeah, this is the full digital cluster. Let me quickly show it to you and conclude this video. So here you go, hope it is visible. Reverse LCD, you have the range, you have speedometer, fuel gauge and side stand indicator and all the relevant stuff. So that's pretty much it. I'll just call it quits for now. Next, let's go hit the road, ride and see what the Destiny 125 is truly made up of, and is it really here to change the destiny of Hero MotoCorp in the 125cc scooter segment. What is your opinion? What is your favorite color? Feel free to comment below, and if you like the location, please give this video a thumbs up.